I first started grinding the bevel down over there. I read the direction wrong in this handle. Pretty much all woods got more of a tendency to tear out going one way than the other. So if you're using a block plane, or a little plane like I was, a hand plane, I go with what I thought was the correct direction, and guess what? I was wrong. Just a second. Now the pencil's gone missing again. I use Mr. Rat Tail here. There is a little tear out from here to here. It's right here on the side of the handle. But running the pinchers on it, I can feel it get thick and thin. It's actually a little thick right here, so I'm just going to take that out. I'm going to use a scraper. And reach along, do a little bit here. And I'm going to reach along and feather it. It's thick here too. Something I saw him do in a wood shop a long time ago. I see cabinet makers using it. Is you can put a wet cloth and a warm iron on this and lift that grain. Since I've got plenty of thickness to use, I think I can grind it out or scrape it out of here. More than I thought. There's a little bit here, a little here, and a little here. It's kind of in the shape of the curve of the tree. Wonder what happened there. A little soft place in the grain. I don't know. If you just work down that one right there, then you end up with thick and thin and back to thick again. So you reach out and get long pulls on it. Right over there is narrower than right there. Get out of the way. I'll be messing with this for a while. You probably get bored. I'll talk to you later. Here's that little scratch. off camera I sharpened my scraper. I heard one time where work roughened hands were, I don't know, depends on the kind of work you do, 200 or 300 grit. So actually hand rubbing it is not a, you're effectively sanding it. I'm lightening up and looking against the light and seeing little places that haven't been touched yet. There's one right down here that'll be off camera. My thumb is. Just clean that thumb. And then lengthen them out. The field bump, I'll work on it a little bit and I get longer. Get longer. And I get lighter. Do this with rasper file too. Lighten your stroke cut. Smooth it out. It's pretty good right now. Alright. I'll call that good until I put the metal wedges in it. I'm putting the bitey end toward the thicker part. Figuring to do less damage to the thin end. There you go. The survivor. Out of the mud and back on the wall for now. Thanks a lot.